Welcome to Choice Champions. The best raw glass rolling tray is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious smoker, offering a smooth, non-porous surface that's easy to clean and prevents any sticky residue from ruining your rolling experience, ensuring every session is as clean and enjoyable as the first. Number 5. Raw Classic King Size Cones. Introducing the Raw Classic King Size Cones. Experience a smooth and slow burn with every use. Crafted from high-quality paper, these cones ensure a clean and enjoyable smoking experience. Each cone comes with pre-attached tips and convenient packing tubes for effortless preparation. Designed for a slow and even burn, allowing you to savor your smoke at your own pace. The King size offers a generous capacity, perfect for a satisfying session. Get great value with this pack of 50 pre-rolled cones, always ready when you are. What we like. These are pre-rolled cones, perfect for a quick and easy session. If you value convenience and a consistent burn, these are for you. They are ideal for beginners or those who want to save time. What people say. Each cone is meticulously crafted to be as described, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable smoking experience every time. The convenience of pre-rolled cones cannot be overstated. Raw has mastered the art of rolling, and it shows in the precision of their cones. What sets Raw cones apart is their commitment to using unbleached and natural materials. As a conscientious consumer, I appreciate that these cones are free from harmful chemicals, ensuring a clean and pure smoking experience. Number 4. Metal Rolling Tray with Cone Loader, Purple. Introducing the all-in-one smoking accessory set. This foldable rolling tray kit comes complete with a cone loader and all the essential tools you need. Experience mess-free cone loading with our smart funnel system. This pre-roll machine ensures perfect rolls with every use, making your preparation a breeze. This versatile rolling tray kit is designed for both king size and 114 cones. It features interchangeable adapters for multi-size compatibility. Streamline your entire rolling process with this complete cone rolling kit. It simplifies grinding, loading, packing, and cleaning all within one convenient tray. Crafted with a premium-grade aluminum frame, this rolling tray is built to last. Its ultra-stable and compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What we like. This is a comprehensive rolling kit designed for efficiency. If you're looking for a streamlined process from start to finish, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to perfect their rolls with minimal mess. What people say. The metal tray is sturdy and high quality, and the cone loader is incredibly intuitive, no more messy spills or uneven fills. It makes the whole process so much faster and more relaxing. The tray is a perfect size for keeping everything organized while preparing herbs. The design is not only stylish but also practical, with raised edges to prevent spills. The included accessories, like the multiple cone holders, packing tool, and brush, make rolling easy and mess-free. I'm packing like 5 joints a minute with this thing. Way better than the Raw 6-shooter. Number 3. Raw Matte Black Murdered Cigarette Rolling Tray, Small. Experience the sophisticated matte black on black finish. Its elegant and sleek design is complemented by smooth, rounded edges for a comfortable feel. This rolling tray boasts a strong, durable metal construction. Its minimalist and sleek finish ensures it looks as good as it performs. Designed for your convenience, it's perfect for travel or storage. The high rounded corners enhance comfort and accessibility. Each tray comes with a bonus scoop card. This makes handling and distributing your materials with precision and ease simpler than ever. Measuring at L 10.8 inch x W 6.8 x H1, this small size tray is incredibly practical. It includes an ESD scoop card for added utility. Kill some time with this elegant metal rolling tray. Its sleek matte black finish offers a refined aesthetic. What we like. This rolling tray offers a sleek and stylish aesthetic. If you appreciate a minimalist design and a premium feel, this is the one. Its compact size and smooth finish make it a great addition for discreet use or travel. What people say. The matte surface is very durable and it looks incredible. The contrasting glossier Raw logo came a little scratched from the scoop scoop card sliding around during shipping, but I'm still content and it's totally worth the money. The tray is satisfyingly deep, has a nice contrasting gold-colored finish on the back, and all the edges are rolled perfectly so wiping it clean is a breeze. It's a tray but it looks good and the raw doesn't scratch, so no worries about the logo or anything eventually scratching off into your product. Speaking of, you have enough space for the product and then some. It's not huge but it will fit your papers, grinder, tips and product finely, although I just like product in mine. It does scratch easily but it looks great. The card is nice as well. Number 2. Raw Gold Poker with Hemp Necklace. Introducing the Raw Gold Poker, a premium accessory for your smoking needs. It comes brand new, directly from the box. This exquisite piece features a gold poker, elegantly complemented by a woven natural hemp necklace. It's both functional and stylish. The woven natural hemp necklace doubles as a lanyard, ensuring your poker is always within reach. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Each poker comes presented in a nice box, making it an ideal choice for gifting. It's ready to impress. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for any connoisseur. Its presentation and quality make it a standout present. What we like. This accessory comes with a unique hemp necklace and a gold poker. If you're looking for a functional yet stylish piece, or a great gift option, this is it. The included gift box makes it ready for any occasion. What people say. Nice, thick, sturdy metal pokers like these are harder to lose. I've already dropped it a few times and have not necessarily been gentle with it, and still don't see any signs of scratches. The poker is weighty, feels quite substantial and works like a charm to pack cones of all sizes. Another neat feature is that the poker is the perfect size to wrap a rolling paper around to make perfect cones, you just need to make or buy the filter tip. This rolling paper poker is the perfect tool, easy to use, make rolling cigarette easier. Number 1. Foldable Wooden Rolling Tray Set. Introducing our premium, eco-friendly wooden rolling tray set. It folds flat for easy storage and expands into a sturdy workspace, perfect for your rolling needs. This set features a built-in loader and hand-rolling machine. It ensures smooth placement and consistent filling of your cones, boosting speed and accuracy. Keep your essentials organized and fresh with the included odor-blocking silicone tube and other essential tools. It helps contain debris and keeps your cones fresh on the go. Crafted with a smooth varnished surface that resists stains and odors, cleanup is a breeze. The high-quality wood construction ensures lasting durability and an upscale look. Its lightweight, foldable design and included storage pouch make it ideal for travel or discreet home use. You can easily take it anywhere for rolling anytime. What we like. This is a versatile wooden rolling set with a focus on portability and discretion. If you need a compact solution that keeps your essentials organized and odor-free, consider this. It's ideal for those who travel frequently or prefer a more natural aesthetic. What people say. The tray itself appears to be a nice wood with a smooth finish. The size is great and the legs will be helpful for balancing the tray. It is hands down the best way to pack cones while keeping your hands clean. It's made with high-quality material, is easy to travel with and super easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.